Go Carpet Cleaning in Decatur, Georgia. Testimonials. Go Carpet Cleaning concentrates on business and residential carpet cleaning, using just natural, environment-friendly solutions that are harmless for your whole family and beloved pets. We want to make certain that our customers are 100% satisfied with the carpet cleaning service that we provide, and we guarantee complete satisfaction on each and every job. Take a look at some of our clients' testimonials.
I contacted Gal to clean my rugs. He did a thorough job. He is really an expert of rugs and carpets. He explained everything about his cleaning method before he proceeded to the cleaning. Thank you, Go Carpet Cleaning.
Gal Batoon did a wonderful job at the offices of Sherwood Chiropractic Center, and will be our go-to in the future. Great pricing.
Gal gave excellent customer service. Called step by step before arrival. I recommend him to anyone seeking quality customer service. He arrives on time and provides any simple requests from customer.
We're amongst the highest rated carpet cleaning companies in Decatur, and we're committed to combating stains and bacteria with safe and environment-friendly solutions. Our commitment is unmatched by any other company, because not only do we provide quality work on time every single visit, but also offer excellent customer service that will make sure all of our clients' requirements are met, each step of the way. One of our additional services is cleaning traffic patterns. Consistently walking over the exact same place in a room will eventually leave dirt that gets pushed down into the carpet. We're able to efficiently clean even the most persistent dirt and grime. Contact us about Expert Cleaning Company today. For carpet cleaning and more in Decatur and neighboring areas, contact Go Carpet Cleaning. Visit us at gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com or call us at 678-818-5698.